Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys at my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to on do not disturb and how to use do not disturb guys. Today friends I will show you guys your full setting, how to on and off, and how to use do not disturb in Oppo phone device guys. You are going to watch. So friends, now let's see what is do not disturb, how to on, how to use, and last how to turn off it. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video guys. So friends, now let's see guys how to on and use do not disturb. So first of all guys, we will on phone setting. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, click on your phone sound and vibration, and guys again scroll it. Friends, you can see guys Oppo phone with do not disturb setting is here. So I will click on do not disturb. So friends, you can see your do not disturb. First of all guys, we will read notification. What is do not disturb? Your phone will not ring or vibrate except for alarm and timers. Phone will not ring and not vibrate except alarm and timer. The status bar will show a moon icon when do not disturb is on. So guys, now we will on it. Friends, you can see when I will on, my phone will not ring or vibrate except alarm and timer. Status bar will show this moon icon. So guys, this moon icon will show on status bar. So guys, when guys moon icon show on status bar guys, understand do not disturb is on. Okay friends, and friends, you can see phone will not ring or vibrate friends as I read it. So my phone will not ring or vibrate, you can check. And friends, when you will off you don't disturb guys, you don't want to use. So and guys, you want to off this moon icon, so I tap here to off it guys. So friends, you can off from here guys do not disturb, and you can on. So guys, when we will on, status bar will show moon icon, phone will not ring or vibrate except alarm and timer. And guys, when we will off, so guys, moon icon also off. So like that guys, we can on and off, and guys you can, and guys you can use guys your do not disturb in your Oppo phone device like that. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.